In all cases, this takes the focus directly off of the triceps. If we're gonna isolate a muscle with an isolation exercise, we probably wanna focus on hitting that muscle, right? So I'm gonna bump the weight up just a little bit here and make sure this doesn't fall on me. And just pay close attention, right? So I'm gonna keep my elbows pinned during the entire set, slight bend in my knees, just a little bit of an angle. And now it's just gonna be down, lock, and squeeze, right? So just very controlled, owning every inch of the moment. A lot of people try to jack the weight up way too much on tricep push down variations. Much better option is to really flex at the bottom and squeeze your tricep as hard as you can to get the most bang for your buck. So I'm gonna do 8 to 10 reps here. This is still a little bit light, so I'll bump it up on the next one. Then I'm gonna move over to the next exercise in our superset, the overhead extension. Now the second set in our superset is the overhead tricep extension. So with elbows coming back and drifting just slightly, we're really gonna hammer the long head. Personally, some people like to really anchor their elbows when they're doing this exercise. I like to let a small stretch happen. On the backside, I just feel a lot more directly in my tricep. And again, we'll go 8 to 10 reps. And we're not trying to go as heavy as possible. We're trying to maximize that contraction. Right here, I'm anchored and flex. Slight stretch. And so I'll go through this superset, 45 to 60 seconds rest between each exercise and increasing the weight on each set. Final exercise in this workout is a single arm triceps kickback. I'm not a big fan of using dumbbells for kickbacks. Much better option is gonna be using a cable attachment. We're gonna be doing 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps and really getting a hard squeeze. Kickbacks, when we have the tension of a cable, it really matches the strength curve a lot more effectively than dumbbells, making it so much more of an effective muscle building exercise. Did you find this helpful? If so, pound that like button and hit subscribe. Now, if you want a free copy of our Chiseled Muscle Cheat Sheet, the no BS way to help you lose body fat and build lean muscle in 90 days, make sure that you go to the description below and download your free copy. Any questions? Drop them in the comments, and can't wait to see you with the next video.